Good day guys. Hi, I'm gonna show you up guys today how the camshaft sensor works on Nissan Navara D40. So I have the camshaft sensor with me in my hand. It is a reconditioned one. It's a faulty one actually. So the camshaft position sensor is attached to the engine block facing the timing rotor on the engine camshaft bay. It's basically on the right, most towards to the engine bay side. The sensor detects signal used by the engine ECU to calculate the camshaft position and the engine rotational speed. So there are two type of camshaft sensors, MPU type and then the MRE type. I'm not gonna explain and talk about these two type, but I'm planning to do another video explaining how the difference between these two type of camshaft sensors, as well as the electronic waves, how does it work, and how the magnetic field emitted from the sensor to magnet changes according to the detection tooth position during the rotations. So I'll catch up to in a totally different video of how does it work, but just to give a brief of how the camshaft sensors works while the engine rotates. All right, so in a nutshell, I'll just show you, because this sensor, the nipple of this sensor, it's this is a magnetic field actually. It's a magnetic field here. So when you have a metal washer up here, so when you touch it, it just catch it. I got it.